What's going on, everybody? One of the really nice perks that I will say about being married to someone in the Air Force are things called family days. And today is one of those days. It's the Tuesday after Columbus Day and Amanda's off work and it's a beautiful day outside. So I thought, what better to do than go and try and find some waterfalls. So that's what we're gonna do today. I don't know if we're gonna be successful, but we're gonna have fun trying and just see what we can find out there in the mountains of Japan. So let's go. All right, so we just came up to the top of the most beautiful mountain that I've been on here in Japan. So we just came all the way from way down the mountain, and we zigzagged all the way up and came up this road, and we just parked up here because we found a spot where we could pull off of, and the views here are just gorgeous. I just love it here so much. It doesn't get much better than this. Beautiful fall day. The trees are starting to change colors, and what a great day. We haven't found the waterfall yet though. I think Amanda maybe went to go and try and see if she can see it from where we're at. We can hear it down that way. I doubt that my mic will be able to pick it up, but down that way is the waterfall. There's literally like no traffic, no people up here. This is rural Japan. This is considered the sticks where we're at right now in Japan, out in the mountains, overlooking the Kanto Plains. We're gonna go and try and find this waterfall now. We're still trying to figure out where the waterfall is, and it's kind of hard to decipher the kanji, but the red arrow is pointing this way, so we think it's this way. We'll find out. We hear rushing water, so that's a good sign. I think we're getting close. You'll never go thirsty in Japan. There's a drink machine everywhere. No! Tell me we can't go see the waterfall. What does Google Translate say? Yeah, we crossed the barricade. The sign translation said, "There's a fallen tree, do not go." And here we are going. Mom, Dad, if we get thrown in Japanese jail, I'm sorry. She's a bad influence. All I can say is this better be worth it. We found the Hossawa Waterfall, and it's not as big as I was expecting from the pictures I saw online, but it's beautiful and there's no one else here. So Amanda and I get to share this moment of seeing this waterfall, just the two of us. Well, here's the downed tree that they were talking about that they didn't want us to pass because of this, but we did it anyway. All the result of Typhoon Trami still affecting us. Ugh. This is the waterfall. That was not the waterfall back there. This is what we came for. Alright guys, that's the Hossawa Waterfall, and now we're gonna go back under the fallen tree and head out of here. I'm gonna keep my head down so that the camera can't see my face because there's a security camera. And that's a wrap. I feel a little bit better now that we're heading back from seeing the waterfall. Some other Japanese nationals just passed us walking to the waterfall after passing the little barricade saying do not pass. So
and if the Japanese are willing to cross the line, it must be okay.
Yeah, so hopefully our faces don't land on a wanted poster, but I think we should be good. Are they gonna pass it? They looked a little more conservative than the last family that passed us. So it's the next day and I realized that I forgot to end this video. That's what I'm doing now. There are some new things in the works right now that I'm really excited about, and I hope that you guys will subscribe if you're new to this channel so that you guys can follow along on my adventures here in Japan, and make sure that you hit the bell so that you get a notification every time I do upload a new video. If you guys liked this video, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and let me know what you guys thought of this video, and I will see you guys next time.